Hi everyone! Are you ready to make the world's most softest, fluffiest, melt in your mouth cinnamon rolls with me today? Seriously, I'm not kidding. Excuse me, do you see what I'm seeing? Cause I'm seeing absolute perfection. Wait till I cut this in half. My gosh, look at all those layers. Now let's get to making. In a large bowl, mix 180 milliliters of lukewarm milk, 8 grams of instant yeast, 60 grams of granulated sugar, 1 large egg and an egg yolk, a 1/4 cup of melted butter, 360 grams of bread flour, and 8 grams of kosher salt. Now mix with a spatula until everything is well combined. Now transfer to a stand mixer. Knead on medium speed for about 8 to 10 minutes. The dough should stick to the bottom of the bowl, which is exactly what we want. Now transfer the dough to an oiled bowl. Cover and let rest for an hour and a half. While the dough is resting, let's make the filling. In a bowl, combine a 1/2 cup of softened butter, 2/3 cup of dark brown sugar, and 1.5 tablespoons of cinnamon powder. Mix everything together until a nice paste forms. I definitely prefer using a paste filling because it creates less of a mess. Once the dough has doubled in size, transfer the dough to a floured surface. Now roll out the dough into a 17 by 12 inch rectangle. Now spread the filling all over the dough with a spatula. Tightly roll the dough into a log starting from the 12-inch side that is closer to you. Place the dough seam side down and make sure to seal the edges. Now cut into 2-inch sections using a serrated knife. You should end up with 6 large pieces of cinnamon rolls. Place the cinnamon rolls in a 10 by 7 inch baking pan lined with parchment paper. I'm pressing on it gently so it can stand upright. This is the final rest. Cover and let rest for 45 minutes. Now bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. As it's baking, let's make the cream cheese frosting. In a bowl, add a 1/4 cup of softened butter, 4 ounces of cream cheese, 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat with an electric mixer until smooth and fluffy. That looks beautiful. Now spread the cream cheese frosting all over the cinnamon rolls. Don't be afraid to be generous. And there you have it. This is how you make the world's softest, fluffiest, melt in your mouth cinnamon rolls. Look at how beautiful this looks. Do you see the caramelization of the brown sugar at the bottom? This is hands down the best cinnamon rolls I've ever made and eaten. So please give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. If you enjoyed this video, please give this a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you all for watching.